guys, today we're going to the Hibachi restaurant. Mommy is excited. Yummy, are you excited?
Yes, I read her and also I played my favorite game named Toka. And
it says ooh yeah tiao. Or we're in the city again where we went to Naomi's hospital if you want to see it. Caesar effects. Okay, it's gone. Thank you, clouds. And did you guys not notice?
Yep, I'm okay.
This is the power of time. We are going to the Hibachi restaurant. Anyways, we are almost there. Don't be suspicious.
To your job. You get qualified candidates fast. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you what you're looking for. Needle in the haystack. 4 out of 5
Paramount Plus. It's right there somewhere. Oh, and they placed it on his head. Oh, it's right there. It's right there. It's right there. I know you can't see because you can finally see it now. Hooray! Hibachi. Finally. Okay, guys, we're about to get out of this car and get inside this place. And guys, we're waiting for Mommy to get her coffee, and we're gonna scream out loud prank.
She's coming.
Yeah! And we're literally going to the Hibachi restaurant, Park Spot. Hey, did you notice that Tyrannosaurus is returning? Hooray! Hooray! We're here at the Hibachi, and we're gonna cover up our license plate. Okay, see you guys, and we're gonna wait for 25 minutes. See ya. See ya in the restaurant. Guys, we're here today. This guy is Cousin. Get my food. And with all of that today, please subscribe and like and video. Peace out.